Hey, so quick question. Do you ever say yes when your whole spirit is screaming, no, ma'am, we are tired, we are unavailable, and we are not in the mood? Mm-hmm. Same here. It's cute till you realize your yes habit is low key robbing you. And we're going to talk about that today. Hey, ladies, are you ready to transform your love life and achieve the relationship of your dreams? Then you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Trish, your love catalyst at the Vision of Beauty Coaching. On this podcast, I'll share with you how to attract, vet, and maintain healthy relationships. So get ready to write your love story and join the long list of successful women who have found love. Some of us, well, like me, oh, hey, it's Trish from the Vision of Beauty Coaching. We're raised to be helpful, independent, agreeable, polite. So now we're out here in these dating streets saying yes to things that are draining our soul. Yes to weird conversations we don't want to have, like super weird, like, what are you even talking about? Why are we even talking about this? Like, super weird conversations. You ever have a weird conversation with someone you're dating that you don't want to be having, or a coworker, or a family member? We say yes to being super understanding, especially when he's giving you crumbs, like giving nothing. Yes to overfunctioning again, overperforming again. Yes to proving ourselves like love is a group project. And you might think it's no big deal. Well, I'm just being kind. I'm just being very supportive. I'm being patient. It's a whole virtue, but there's a cost, and it's not cheap. Every unnecessary yes is a no to your peace, a no to your boundaries, a no to your energy, your time, your emotional safety. And the worst part, saying yes all the time drains the people around you to expect more than they've earned. Like they already know you're going to say yes. You weren't even invited and you still said yes. They stop seeing your generosity as a gift and they start treating you like, well, it's just a given. That's how you end up in relationships where you're doing the absolute most and he's just doing whatever he wants to do. I mean, that's what he's doing. Let's be honest. We say yes too much because we're afraid of being too much or not enough or hard to love or nobody's going to want me anyway, so I may as well. I don't want to be lonely. But the truth is, the right people, they'll honor your no. They'll respect your space. They won't make you feel guilty for protecting your space. And anyway, who needs any of that? Like, nobody wants to feel guilty for saying no for something that they don't want to do or a conversation they don't want to have or that thing they definitely don't want to do. Here's a gentle challenge for you, and I'm going to do it too. This week, say no at least once where you normally people please. Just one, I'm just not really available for that. You don't have to be rude. You don't even have to like over explain because sometimes that no comes with this long explanation. Try hard not to do that. Just start reminding your nervous system that you're allowed to take up some space because when you stop overgiving and start honoring your no, you make room for the kind of love that honors your yes. If you've been the yes girl in every relationship, I see you and I get it. I understand. As a femininity and relationship coach, I promise that your softness doesn't have to mean self sacrifice. You don't need to shrink to be chosen or do weird things that you don't want to do. You just need to be safe with you, and you've got to be safe with you first. And if you want more videos like this, well, you know where to find me, thevisionofbeauty.com.